What's up, YouTube? Currently 7:15 a.m. I'm gonna go through a detail. Just wanted to vlog it, show y'all a day in the life of a daily 17-year-old detailer. Let's get to it. I'm at the spot. She got a Jeep. It's pretty nice. It is currently 45 degrees outside. That's why I got this on. But yeah, every detail, just get me a breakfast bowl, some protein, and that's how I get my day started. When I get out there, I'll show y'all the vehicle, and then I'll show y'all my little step-by-step. But I won't go into too much detail, but I will show y'all what I usually do first and how I get it done. All right, I'll see y'all out there. All right, so here's the vehicle. This is before. It's not too bad, but we'll definitely get it looking better. All right, when you start, make sure you rinse off the tires. Don't add any soap or anything yet. Just give them a nice rinse. Knock any mud off, any debris, anything like that. And right here, I'm just brushing. I got soap and water in the brush, and I'm just brushing each tire and making sure I get around all the rims. I'm trying to put my gloves back on because it was cold. Now I skip to the part where I brush all the tires, but once you got all the tires clean, just rinse them off. Nothing too much about it. What I forgot to add was once you clean the tires, just rinse the whole car off. No soap or anything, just rinse everything off. And don't forget to move the windshield wipers. Now I'm just grabbing my foam cannon and just spraying the whole car down with soap. So I sprayed the car, I got my 2-bucket wash method, and I just went windows first, and then I went everything down, making sure you rinse after each panel. car. I'm finna do the inside. I'll show y'all that too before I start. Basically, this is it. Came out pretty good. The sun came out, so it made things a little bit harder. But other than that, we're straight. Here's the inside. Pretty dirty, but not the worst. So just the floor mats. Everything else is not too bad. If people leave random stuff like cups, I usually have a bag, and I just put everything of their personal things in a bag and give it to them at the end. That's how you handle that. And here's the back seat. Back seat's not too dirty besides the floor mats. Should take about an hour and a half, and then we'll be good. I'll show you that the after video when I'm done. Vacuum one side. I need to do some touch-ups, but I vacuumed everything. Got this brushed everything. I'm gonna do the other side now. There's still some crumbs and stuff that I gotta clean up, but I always just do the bulk of things. It gets get things done faster, and basically just do that. Make sure you do the seats. I still haven't got everything out the car. I don't know why I haven't done that yet, but I'm gonna do that. And after I do that, I'm gonna get to the other side and vacuum. I still gotta do a few touch-ups. Got everything in here. And after this, I'm gonna clean the floor mats. I'll show y'all me doing that. Everything in the back is good. But before I do that, I wanna show y'all this. This is Chemical Guys car smell. It's an air freshener, but it's a spray one. This lasts you a long time. If you're a detailer, this can really help you out. Just spray it at some spots where it's hard for people to see on each side. I usually spray it under the seats and just leave it there. You don't wipe it or anything, just leave it. Keep it under the seats. And this is the new car smell. I want to say they have strawberry, blueberry, but this one, everybody would like this. This is a new car smell, so of course I got this one. Last side. I'm actually running out. I need to buy some more. All right, next clip will be me cleaning the floor mats. Floor mats are one of the easiest things to clean, and people honestly be doing a little bit too much when it comes to cleaning them, especially rubber floor mats. It's not that difficult. I'm cleaning the floor mats. Grab my pump sprayer with my soap and water in it. Grab a brush. I'm gonna leave this like this. I already rinsed them off before I started the clip. Grab the pump spray. And I honestly feel like floor mats are one of the easiest things to clean, especially rubber floor mats. Grab your brush. Make sure you rinse the mats off before you start all this. I forgot to record that part. Grab the hose. There's one. So you put them in the sun. Leave these out to dry for about 5 minutes, and if you're in a rush, you can always grab a towel and dry them off manually. All right, this is the car. It took about 2.5, 3 hours. One reason it took longer was because it's a Jeep. Second reason, it's black and it was in the sun. Usually, you can expect to do a detail, full detail in about 2.5 hours, depending on how dirty it is. Here's the inside. That's pretty good. Alright, now I'm gonna clean everything up, get all the soap, everything off the road that I left, pack up everything, and I'll be with y'all in about 10 minutes. All finished. This is another angle of the vehicle before I leave. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so I'm back in the car. A few things I wanted to say. When it comes to detailing and it comes to the price ranges, it really depends on where you live, but I will say don't lowball yourself, but also don't charge a crazy high number, especially when you're first starting off. And most of the time, if you're decent and you have good manners, they'll give you a tip, and the tips usually range anywhere from $10 to $20 on top of the price. So don't worry about charging no crazy amount. But this is what I've been doing. I'm 17. I've been doing this since I was 15. I also work at a different spot, but I'm trying to quit that job and basically do full time with this. I have big plans for this. I want to have my own business in the future where I have workers working for me doing what I'm doing right now, having their own trucks and detail vans and all that. But I have big plans for this. I just like to hustle, that's all. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you stayed this long, then I appreciate that. And please let me know any things that I can work on. This is my first video. You new to the YouTube channel, hopefully it goes somewhere. I'm gonna keep pushing till it does. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all next time.